Well, first of all, it's important because as museums, we are a public body, we really need to connect with as many people as possible. And sometimes there are certain audiences that just do not connect with museums. Now, the reason why it's important for us is that one of the sites that we hold is Plasnewydd in Llangollen, what's home to the ladies of Llangollen, who, if you don't know the story, they're a pair of Irish noble ladies, called Lady Eleanor Butler and the Honourable Sarah Ponsonby. In 1760, they eloped together with their maid and eventually found their home at Plasnewydd in Llangollen. They had a wide circle of acquaintances, people they corresponded to, who visited, from Wordsworth. They corresponded with Byron, all the great people of the day. The Duke of Wellington visited. So we have a real connection with LGBT history at Plasnewydd.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much for your time, Peter. Thank you.